Good day, Sir Noel Nasambado. Today I'm gonna report on electrical machines, and our topic today is AC motors and generators. So, introduction to AC motors and generators. Alternator or AC generator is a machine that converts mechanical energy to electrical energy in the form of alternating current or AC. These are the workhorses of our modern world, found in power plants, vehicles, and various industrial settings. Construction of alternators. The building process of alternators involves five primary stages. 1. Rotor assembly. The rotating part of the machine. It is built by stacking lamination and securing field coils. Rotors are generally classified as salient pole or cylindrical non-salient. 2. Stator assembly. The stationary part, the core is built from insulated steel lamination to reduce eddy current losses. Armature windings are placed into slots within this core. Diode rectifier and voltage regulator. These electronics components are mounted within the frame to control the output and convert AC to DC for field coils if necessary. And bearing installation. Bearings are installed at both ends of the rotor shaft to ensure smooth high-speed rotation within the minimal friction. 5. Frame assembly, the housing that holds the stator and rotor. It includes ends cover, cooling fans, and protective casing. Faraday's law, the fundamental principle here is electromagnetic induction. When the rotor spins, its magnetic field cuts through the stator windings, inducing a voltage. Types of alternators. 1. Salient pole alternators. These have poles that project out from the surface of the rotor. Operation best suited for low and medium application like hydroelectric plants. The large diameter and short axial length allow for many poles. So the advantages of this alternator is simpler to construct and maintain, cost-effective for low-speed operation. So the disadvantages are windage losses, air resistance at high speeds, noisier and physically bulkier. Application: hydropower plants, low-speed diesel engines, and wind turbines. Number 2, non-salient cylindrical pole alternator. These have smooth drum-like rotor when the windings are buried in slots. Operation designed for high-speed application like steam and gas turbines. The smooth surface reduces windage and noises. So the advantages is high mechanical strength for high-speed rotation, better flux distribution and quieter operation, more efficient at RPM. Disadvantages: more complex and expensive to manufacture. Maintenance is more difficult due to compact precision design. Application: thermal power plants, steam turbines, gas turbines, and nuclear power plants. So this is the summary comparison table. Additional essentials. Excitation system. The rotor needs help to become a magnet. This is done via exciter, which provides a small amount of DC current to the rotor windings to create the magnetic field. Synchronous speed. AC generator must run at a specific speed to maintain a steady frequency, like 60 Hz or 50 Hz. The formula is NS 1 equals 120 times F over P. So that's all for my report. Thank you.